Hey guys, it's Angelo, Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching my podcast, Real Estate Insider. Today we're talking about how to build rental properties, grow your retirement mailbox money if you're a veteran. Did you know if you're a veteran, you can buy up to a 4-family nationwide all over the country and get zero down, 100% financing? That's right. If you're a veteran, I want to hear from you. If you're looking to buy rental properties, build your cash flow, you can buy a 4-unit, live in one of the units, and collect mailbox money for the rest of your life. And you can do it with zero down, 100% financing and get all the closing costs included. And we can make that loan to you. This is an awesome program for you veterans out there. Use your VA benefits, take advantage of that, get zero down, 100% financing. And with the interest rates as low as they are right now, it's a no-brainer. You can get a 30-year fix as low as 3% and get zero down, 100% financing. Why wouldn't you want to do that? And we can offer this program nationwide, whether you're in Hawaii, California, Colorado, Texas, Alaska, Florida, New York. You can buy. This is the opportunity right here today. That's what we're talking about, educating you veterans out there. If you have your DD-214, you've been honorably discharged, we can help you. And I'm going to talk about the benefits and the requirements of the VA multifamily investing today. So let's check it out. So it's zero down, 100% finance. You don't have to put 20% down. Your banker may want 20% down. You don't have to put 20% down with the VA loan. You could do it with zero down, 100% financing. You just need to have a 660 or higher credit score. So the middle credit score has to be 660 or higher. You have 3 scores, the Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. Your middle score has to be at least 660 or higher. The maximum debt ratio is 45%. So you have a front-end debt ratio, you have a back-end debt ratio. So your back-end debt ratio cannot exceed 45%. You can, if you want to know how to calculate debt ratio, watch my video on how to calculate debt to income ratio. 3 to 6 months of reserves required. That means that you have to have in the bank account at the time of closing 3 to 6 months of PITI reserves in your bank account to make sure that you can make the payments, okay? Why? Because let's say that you have a 4-unit and 1 or 2 of your renters, they vacate. You have to be able to float the payment and make the payment on the property in the event that they default or they leave. So you have to have the money cash reserves in your bank account, okay? But it's available nationwide. In some areas in the country, you can go up to $800,000, $1 million, $1.5 million loan with the VA and get zero down, 100% financing. Now, a lot of lenders don't do multifamily with VA. We still do it. We've been lending for over 2 decades. It's where America goes for funding, guys. So if you need to get help with funding in any capacity, call or text us at 832-431-6331. And we are a direct lender. We're not just a YouTuber or someone that's talking about credit. We make the loans to you guys. So if we can help you, reach out to our office. Now, the benefit that I really like about this is an example. Let's say that you made only $4,000 a month and you say, well, Angelo, my debt ratio, I can't buy a $600,000 multifamily. My debt ratio is over 45%. And I'm going to tell you that you get to use the income from the other rentals, the other tenants. Let's say that your income is $4,000 a month and you're collecting $1,000 a month from each property. Well, now your income is $7,000 a month, and that's what we use to qualify you for the loan, because you collect the other income from the other rooms that you have. If you're living in one of them, the other 3 you're collecting $3,000 a month. We use that income to qualify you, and your income is going to be able to go up, so your debt ratio goes down. So it's a wonderful opportunity, guys. So if we can help you, if you're a veteran and maybe you don't want to buy a 1-family, maybe you want to buy a 2-family or 3-family or 4-family, you can, and you can still get zero down and up to 4% seller concessions included, so you don't have to pay your closing costs. So it's really, really cool. So reach out to us at 832-431-6331. We want to help you veterans out there to build mailbox money, build cash flow. Call or text us at 832-431-6331. It's where America goes for funding. If there's anything that you want me to talk about on a show, a podcast, wherever, leave it down in the chat box below on YouTube. If you're looking to get pre-approved, click on that link below to get signed up and check out my next video, guys.